Sorry guys, we've been having a bunch of issues with the batteries because it's been so damn cold. Finally was able to charge this thing. Anyway, there's Damien. He's spotting that area over there. See those big luscious green pines and those green aspens? Those are the only aspens that are still green. Everything else is like that. Dead. So we got another little patch over here. Rojo's looking at that. He's over here in the back. I'll record him here in a little bit. But today's the last day. And sorry for very little camera work, but this is the way that it is. I guess the cold decided that it was going to beat us before we could beat it. But yeah, it's really pretty out here. I know I've been taking videos with my phone, but here, look at this, guys. So that mountain that you see way in the back, that's not even a part of this mountain range. That's a part of a different mountain range. That stuff is ours. We've been looking through there. Sorry if the wind's making it noisy. Doesn't seem like it, but anyway. Yep. So that kind of is out of range for us right there. Only because of how far it is. We wouldn't want to take a shot that far. But everything right here, and these little hills right here with the very little snow, that's all game. That's all party. So yeah. So anything way back there, hold on, let's see. Anything way back there? No. Anything here? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Definitely. Yes, 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 yes. You get the picture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here and try to walk uphill for a little bit. See how we do. It's kind of snowy. Stinks. There's a bunch of deer poop, sheep poop, all kinds of stuff. There's the big Rojo himself. There it is. So, again, just cruising. Get up here. Doesn't look that steep, but it is. I'll show you how it is right now. Hold on. Start breathing heavy. It's because it's steep. We've been hiking a whole bunch the last couple of days. It's been pretty serious. But if you just can think about what I just went to, and this is where I'm at right here. I'll show you. Hold on. Sorry if it's jittery. Like I said, it's hard to maintain your balance on all this mud and all this stuff. But let me show you how steep that climb was. Just got a little bit of stuff out. Like I said, solar charger, backpack, GoPro. Poor GoPro, man, hasn't been able to work because of how cold it is. Anyway, so look how steep it is. Can't even see red. Can't even see Damien. That was how steep that hill was. And I'm at the top. So, like I said, here's the rest of this stuff right here. Like I said, anything back there? Anything back there? No. Anything right here? Maybe. But not that much. Not that much in the back. You don't want to shoot something that far. But here we are. So my setup's over there. And like I said, just glassing those. This one right here, I can shoot. No. Yes. And then there's another little knob down here. I'll take it over there in a little bit. I'll show you the sheep that are over there. But yeah, I'll try to see what else I can record so you guys can see. Yeah, we're basically on the this would be the east. There's north, and there's west. So the sun came up over there. Been in our face all day, so I don't know. I'll figure it out. Still no elk, only a horse. I got excited. He's lucky he picked his head up. Because if not, he'd have gotten shot. Bam! Anyway, alright, cool. Bye.